There's a certain kind of phone that makes people stop, stare, and think, this is the future. And right now, Samsung is preparing to drop something that feels straight out of science fiction. We're not talking about just another flip or fold. No, this one bends twice, transforms before your eyes, and could be the boldest leap in smartphones since the very first Galaxy Fold. The long-awaited Trifold is finally within reach, and the closer we get, the crazier the leaks become. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the big tech stories coming your way. Now, here's the thing. Samsung has been teasing this futuristic trifold concept for years. We've seen glimpses of Flex S, Flex G, even Flex slidable panels at trade shows, but those always felt like prototypes locked away in glass cases. This time, though, it's different. Samsung's mobile chief has openly confirmed that the Trifold is in its final stages, promising a launch before the year wraps up. And if the rumors hold true, September 29th might be the day we finally see it in action, sharing the stage with some seriously ambitious products like an Android XR headset and smart glasses. The design is where things get really wild. Imagine holding what looks like a normal phone with a 6.5-inch display, then unfolding it once and again until it spreads out into a massive 10-inch tablet. That's pocket-sized portability combined with laptop-like screen real estate. But Samsung's approach is especially clever. Instead of leaving delicate parts exposed like Huawei's first Trifold did, Samsung is betting on durability with inward, folding panels that stay protected when closed. Powering it all could be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, one of the most powerful processors we've seen, paired with Samsung's own One UI 8 software that's already showing hints of Trifold support. Leaks suggest the interface will adapt seamlessly, apps stretching, resizing, and transforming as you open and fold the device. It's almost like having three devices in one: a phone, a hybrid, and a full-blown tablet. But here's the part that might shock you: the price. Early whispers suggest we're looking at somewhere around $3,500, with a limited run of just 50,000 units at launch. That makes this less of a mass market product and more of a statement piece, a way for Samsung to prove it still leads the innovation race. And make no mistake, that's exactly the message Samsung needs right now. Foldable sales have cooled off, Samsung's market share has dipped from 21% to 9%, and rivals like Huawei and Motorola are stealing the spotlight. But a Trifold this ambitious, that could be the comeback card. Meanwhile, Huawei is already on its second Trifold, offering Z-shaped folding modes and a surprisingly cheaper price point. The competition is fierce, and that makes Samsung's timing critical. If the Galaxy Trifold lands this fall, paired with the Fold 7 and Flip 7 refreshes, it could help Samsung reclaim attention just as the year wraps up and right before Apple rolls out its next big move. There's also another layer to this story: Samsung's growing focus on AI. The company has pledged that by 2030, 90% of its business areas will run on artificial intelligence. That means future devices, including this Trifold, won't just be about hardware. They'll be smarter, more personalized, and maybe even predictive in ways we haven't seen before. Imagine a phone that doesn't just fold into the right shape for your task, but also preloads the exact app or layout you're about to need. That's where things start feeling less like gadgets and more like digital companions. So, is this Trifold really going to change the game, or is it just an expensive flex? On one hand, the limited launch suggests Samsung isn't chasing massive sales, at least not yet. On the other hand, this could be a sneak peek at the future direction of smartphones. Phones that don't just fit in your pocket, but transform into tablets, gaming consoles, even productivity hubs, all without missing a beat. If September really is the moment, it won't just be another Galaxy unpacked. It could be one of the most important events in Samsung's history. A turning point where the company proves it can still out-innovate everyone else, even as competition gets tougher than ever. And that leaves us with the big question. When this Trifold finally lands, would you be willing to spend the price of a high-end laptop on a phone that bends in three? Or is this futuristic foldable just a preview of what'll eventually trickle down into the devices most of us will actually buy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading them all, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious.